You know, the girls on TikTok be leaving it like this, like, sis, now you know that is not enough. Be for real. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you. Show you something, give you more than once. If you have it, that's on nothing. Take you there, I'll take you there. What's up, guys? It's your girl atiimzhanae, your favorite MUA, and today we're gonna be doing a lash tutorial part 2. Y'all was eating up the first lash tutorial I did last year, and y'all are still eating it up, but we're back and we're bigger and we're better. I'm gonna be doing the like viral TikTok lash with like the clusters, but I didn't get my lashes from TikTok shop because no. So yeah, if you're trying to be a baddie on a budget and still get the Mink Lash effect, keep on watching. For today's tutorial, we will be using these lashes. So I got these lashes off of Shein. So in my last tutorial, I got my lashes from the beauty supply store, but that's before these even existed. So here we go. So let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, so here are the lashes. They are from Mink Lash, the cluster eyelashes. The lengths are from 9 is the shortest and 16 is the longest. So these are a lighter kind of mix, and I think these are a decurl. I think that's what it's saying. And then I got these because I'm dramatic, okay? I like the dramatic eyelashes, like the cute wispy ones are, they are right, but so here are the darker lashes. So these are like a dark blackish color. The lengths are 9 to 16 as well, and these are from eyelashes. I will try to link them down below so you guys can go buy them. And the Mink Lash came with the bond and hold on, sorry guys, it came with the bond and the seal, and it also came with a pair of tweezers, and it came with the lash remover as well. So I spent a total of $16 and some change on all of these things right here. So that's much cheaper than TikTok shop if you're like me, because I wanted what did I want? I think they only sell them in like certain lengths, something like that. I don't know, the little VI's one. So I was gonna have to get 2 packs, and then they sell the glue and the bonder separately, and it was gonna come out to $35, and no, we're not here for that. So my tutorial is special because I'm gonna show well, I'm gonna try. This is my first time doing this, so we're gonna see, but I'm gonna try to get like the full almost mega volume kind of look. Oh snaps, I'm missing something, guys. I got spikes. Hold on one second. Okay, and I also got these spikes as well because I want to try spikes. I never had spikes before, but these are from Lassie. Yeah, Lassie. And these are 16 through 18 millimeters. So we're gonna try something new. But anyways, what I was saying is I'm gonna be trying to attempt to do the like mega volume, like just like the real full look, because the girls on TikTok, they don't be doing the real full look and be making me mad. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so I'll put y'all a little closer. So those are the items you're gonna need, and you'll also need a fan. This is my handy dandy fan everybody asked me about. If I find the link, I'll put it in the Amazon storefront, but don't have the link yet. And you'll also need a spoolie as well. So my strategy is I'm gonna put the darker ones on the bottom because I want it to look darker and fuller. So I'm gonna do the wispier and lighter ones first, and then do my second layer with the darker ones, and then do another layer on top with, I don't know, I haven't decided yet, but let's get into it. Y'all, I can't see. I don't have no contact in. This kind of like mascara. I'm gonna take my fan and let that dry just a tad. so you can get a little tacky. First lash, here we go. Okay, that's cute. As you can see, I'm using the bottom of the tweezers to press the lash into the glue, into the bond. I'm gonna move on to 15 now because it's 2 rows of 15s and it's 2 rows of everything except 16 and 9. That's so ghetto. But I'm gonna move on to 15. So I'm also trying not to put the lash too close to my waterline because I don't want it to irritate my eyes. I'm gonna continue doing 15s until I get to like almost the inner corner of my eye. So as I said in my previous lash video, you want to try to hold your lash closer to the lash band so that you can have more control of the eyelash when you're placing it on your eye. So keep that in mind when you're gripping it. You don't want to grip them like this because it just makes it harder for you to place it exactly where you want to, you know, place it at. Okay, so this is what the first layer is looking like. It's cute. You know, the girls on TikTok be leaving it like this, like, sis, now you know that is not enough. Be for real. So I'm gonna do, will y'all get a better view on this side? I don't know. I think I'm gonna record this side too, just in case it's a better view. But I'm gonna do the same lengths and then I'll come back when it's time to do the second layer. So I finished the first layer on both sides and now I'm about to do the second layer and I'll be using the darker pair of lashes. So hopefully it's cute. That down here. Okay, these are the lashes after 2 layers. Tell me it's not giving I went to my lash tech. Okay, I think I know what I'm gonna do. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to put different ones. I'm gonna spread them out. I'm not gonna do like the entire row. I'm gonna do like maybe like 1, 2 here, 1 in the middle. You know what I'm saying? You feel what I mean? Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see what that looks like. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the spikes. All right, y'all, so I can't do this with one hand. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna show y'all what I'm gonna do. They're not showing on the bottom. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold my lash down like that and then try to put it on like that. Oh shoot. And hopefully that works because I really want these spikes. So I'm just gonna come back when I'm done with that. I finished the spikes. I don't know if you can see them. They're kind of noticeable. Is it giving mega volume? Is it giving mega volume set, or is it just giving volume? Is it giving volume, wispy spikes? What is it giving? But I'm about to seal the lashes because it comes with like this sealant. So I'm about to seal them and hopefully these stay on. Lashes are done. Now I'm just gonna brush through them. I kind of got the sealant on them a little bit, so I can't really brush through them for real, but just a little bit. I kind of like that I got the sealant on them because it makes the spikes stick out a little bit more. Okay guys, so here is the final look. The lashes are lashing, okay? It's giving, why would I even go to a lash tech at this point? Only reason is convenience, but is it really? But yeah, they're so free. Hold on, wait. Let me model for y'all. Y'all, these are so cute. Like, these are even better than the I Envy lashes, and slick, easier to put on, and they feel better. I'm sure they'll feel a lot better once everything is like completely dry and my eyes get used to them, but this is really cute and I like it, and I'm definitely gonna have to do this a couple more times. Oh, and the good thing about these is that I didn't even use everything, of course, like, and look what we have. But with the I Envy pack, like, I used that whole pack, both packs, and then that's it. So it's like one and done for $20. Yeah, right. Or I got several different wears out of these for $16. So you get more bang for your buck. So go ahead and hit up Shein, or if you want to get the VIs, you can do that too. Next time I might do some bottom lashes, but I gotta order the smaller spikes. So yeah, if you like this tutorial, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know how I did. I tried my best. I tried my best with that angle. I tried. But yeah, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button because I release beautiful beauty content every week, Sunday at 5 p.m. And you know, I'm trying to get into the vlogs or whatever. I might do a vlog or two. But yeah, and I do tutorials, so go ahead and subscribe to your girl. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.
I'm in a talking with no Instagram, I'm watching TV. I think I trade my breakfast, lunch, and dinner for some kitty. Please believe me, I see Riri, I'ma eat it like panini. I go dumb up in the bar, hit the walls like graffiti. Indian birds all up on a nigga wee wee.